My name is Claire Doyle. I'm the Marketing Manager here at TekEir. TekEir is located in the heart of Ireland in Portarlington, County Laois. Here at TekEir, we refurbish electronic devices to give them a second life. We refurbish laptops, tablets, smartphones and much more.
My name is Padraig Power and I am the Marketing Manager for Refurbed Ireland. Refurb supplies refurbished devices across Europe. So basically we save devices and give them a second life in order to enact the circular economy, and we do so by working with suppliers such as TekEir. We are here today to get a behind the scenes look at the refurbishment process with our partner TekEir. So we're going to get a close-up look at devices, the process of refurbishing themselves and how we get them to such a good quality standard.
Refurbishment and sustainability is super important to us here at TekEir due to the high impact that a business will have on the environment. Unsustainable practices can cause issues such as pollution and can harm the climate. So TekEir practices sustainability in a number of different ways. One of them being that 80% of our buildings here at TekEir are actually run off solar panels. We also have a tree planting initiative, as well as working alongside clients such as Refurbed. TekEir work with Refurbed by selling our high quality refurbished products on their platform. By doing so, we reach a much broader audience within the EU marketplace. The TekEir refurbishment process consists of a number of different steps. We firstly start by a physical check of each device, wiping any customer data from the device, and then we will factory reset. We run functional checks on the device via a checker software which runs a 47-point check on the phone's function. We will then grade each device accordingly and repair or change any faulty parts. Before any of our devices are shipped out to our consumers, we ensure that all the data is completely wiped from the device, and we will factory reset for a second time. If I was to buy a refurbished device, I would always look for a warranty as well as purchasing it from a trusted seller such as Refurbed. Some of the reasons I would purchase a refurbished device would be cost savings, of course environmental benefits, as well as quality.
Refurbishment and sustainability is super important to Refurbed. In fact, it's the reason that we were founded in the first place. So with regards to Refurbed, we want to ensure that devices get a second life and that they live as long as possible. With that in mind, we also want to make sure that consumers get the best quality possible, which is why we don't sell second-hand devices. We ensure that they're refurbished, go through quality checks, and then the customers are happy, and so is the environment. Refurbed works at TekEir in order to broaden our reach within Ireland, but also to broaden the reach of the Irish circular economy across Europe. So with regards to our partnership, TekEir refurbishes devices and supplies them to Refurbed, which then we deliver to customers all across Europe. Refurbed and TekEir started working together in late 2022. The way that Refurbed and TekEir work together is that TekEir actually sources devices, refurbishes them and makes sure that they hit a certain quality standard. Once they then hit that standard, they're sold via Refurbed across Europe. So they're sold internally within Ireland itself, but also have great reach in countries like Germany, Austria, the Netherlands and more. Refurbed and TekEir contribute to the circular economy in many ways. To give a bit of context, previously what used to happen was a lot of devices used to get used once, maybe for a year or two, and then went to landfill. With Refurbed and TekEir, we're saving these devices, we're making sure that they get a longer life, and we're making sure that they're loved once again. This has a huge benefit because it helps the environment enacting the circular economy, but aside from that, it provides products at a lower price point for customers, making sure it's a win-win for all involved. The main thing that you need to do when you're looking for a refurbished device is to make sure that you're covered. So step one is to always check that you're buying from a platform that offers a warranty. And then aside from that, it's also really good to check for a free trial. So with Refurbed, all of our devices have a 30-day free trial, meaning you get to test the device, ensure you're happy with the quality, and if not, you can always send it back, no questions asked. There are many benefits to customers when choosing to buy refurbished, but the main ones that we see and the ones that customers really resonate with are number one, saving the environment, number two, saving themselves a bit of cash, and number three, ensuring that they have the quality there with the standard of the devices.